Hello guys, in this video we will be painting a winter wolf from D&D. First, we're going to start with a base coat of matte elephant gray. Next, we're going to dry brush matte white to help bring out a lot of the sculpt detail. Now we're going to dry brush matte antique white, just for a bit of different coloration. Now we're going to wash matte white to let that get down into some of the recesses. We're going to use Gloss Fruit Punch for the inside of the mouth. And Satin Dark Granite for the claws. We're going to break out the satin white for the teeth. And a touch of satin black for the nose. For the eyes, we're going to use some Gloss Tropical Blue. Now on the base, we're going to use matte white. And then once that's dry, we're going to use Extreme Glitter Hologram. This winter wolf was really fun to paint, super quick and easy. I really like it. This one's actually going up for sale. But overall, it was very nice, and I really hope to paint more mammals. So, if you liked this, please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.